it will take time. Yeah. So can you just
Okay.
open your syllabus? What will today cover? So can you share your screen?
Sure.
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I'm on mute actually. Yeah, I can see your screen. Okay. So in interacting with the UI elements, we'll cover all the part, correct? Is there anything remaining? Checkbox drop down, dynamic
Mm,
drop down, static drop down.
Yeah.
Calendar,
I
we
think
we
any
we,
other
we cover calendar or not? Calendar part.
calendar web table we didn't.
Correct. Correct. Okay, so we'll cover calendar and web table today. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay then. So okay, I'll just open one website. Okay, you can stop sharing. See, can you see this screen?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the best like website to automate web table. You can see web table here. These are the web table, correct?
Yes.
Even though you have fields like your name, first name, you can automate this one for practice. Checkbox, you have checkbox.
Okay.
Okay.
ESI Jaipur.
Again, in right hand
Okay.
side, you can see this admission open. You can see select course message.
Okay.
Yeah. So now web table is very important, web table. So what I'll do, I'll try to open this website and fetch some data from this okay web table. Okay, so first I'll create one uh, script here in VS Code. I'll just mention the name here, data table. And px Cypress open. Support if we have support file, correct?
Yes.
Why is it telling me your project doesn't support doesn't have support file? Let me check. Can you open your test runner? Let's see taking time or not at your end. Hello Satya. Stop from here.
Yeah, for me it was working fine.
Okay, what I'll do, I'll directly use this one command line npx cypress open headed. You want which browser? Chrome
Mm.
spec. What happened now? Unknown option headed.
Headed browser Chrome.
Okay, see one mistake we have done here while opening. We cannot use here open here when you are using this command now. So
Yeah.
yeah, you need to use run. Remember,
Yes. NPX.
yeah,
Yes. Yeah.
remember this thing. Okay.
Okay.
Support file is not necessary for your project. Set support file to false. Even though we have
Our
support file,
project
correct?
doesn't contain defaults.
Yeah, even though we have support file, correct?
Why suddenly getting this error?
Yeah, even I don't know this one. Even though we have this setup file, support file.
Yeah, we have.
I'll do one thing. Here npm install Cypress. Once again, whatever
Oh,
file is missing, I'll get it.
okay.
Okay, now let me check here. Hmm.
Cypress support end to end. It is asking end to end .js. What is that?
End to end, no?
Yeah, we expect a file matching Cypress support end to end .js to exist.
Okay, yeah, yeah, exactly. Got it, got it, got it. Where is end to end here? I think. Under support, we have one file end to end, correct?
Let me check. We don't.
Maybe by default,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
we did delete it.
Yeah, I think you delete. I have e2e.js.
Yeah,
I have command and e2e.js.
correct. Now this website get open now, correct? Now I want to automate the web table. Okay,
Okay,
Satya. So see what I'll do. I'll go to the website here directly. Now I want to automate this table. We have three columns, one, two, three, correct? So what I'll do, I'll just inspect
okay,
it. Go to inspect. Okay. Now to automate this first column, so what I'll do, Control F. See, I'm not using any plugins. Okay, Slater Hub, Crowpath. So I am using here my own way of logic. Like tr for
okay,
row, td for column, trtd. Give some colon here, trtd colon. Okay, write on nth here.
okay,
Okay, then give space here like hyphen. Write on child here. This is the way of handling the web table. Okay, write on which column you want to first grab the locator. So write on 1 year. Can you see the CA course fees get highlighted?
okay.
Yeah, see here. Now the second row you can get it. So 31 you can say in first column 31 row you can get it. One, two, three. See, got it?
Okay.
If I
Yeah.
want to select the second column, put here 2. Now CA course.
What is that nth? Nth also we need to put right
Yeah, and
based on rule.
yeah, based on the role we can also put nth. TRS font row column and nth child 1 and child 2. So before nth you have to put colon and after nth you have to put hyphen. Then child 1, child 2. This is the
No,
way
no.
of,
Child means actual value.
yeah, child means like for instance, like if you see here, this one is your child 2. Okay, so under this tr is suppose parent 1. Okay, so in the parent you have one child. So which child you want? Which child of TD you want? So I want second child.
Second column.
So you second column. If you want first child, you can click on first child. The CA foundation get highlighted here. Can you see? So let me,
No, no, no. Which column? uh, Which row it is selecting? I think it is. It will start from first, right?
for it start
First,
from first.
first
First,
row, right?
like see CA course fees. Can you see this one? First one.
Okay.
Yeah. See this one is starting from CA course fees. So basically, see,
Okay, that header is one row.
yeah.
Okay.
See,
We are starting from
yeah.
second row.
No, no. This one is body table body. Okay,
Okay.
and this one table row. Okay,
Okay.
now inside this table row we have, for example, I close
Three
this one.
column.
I close this one. Okay, also I close this one. I close this one. I close this one. Now see, you can see the way structure. Okay, this one is your. Okay, I also close this one. Now we have T body. Okay,
7 rows are there. One,
yeah.
two, three,
So you
four.
can just count here: one, two, three, four, five, six, seven row. So I'll just go down here.
Okay.
Now this is your table body, correct? The first count the row.
Yeah.
One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 row you have, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So structure is like that. In the T body we have 7 rows. Okay. So your row is a parent one. Okay. Because this one is closed as of now. Once you open now, you will get one TD. Three TDs you can see here.
Yeah.
Like if you open this TR, you can see again 1, 2, 3 TDs. If you open this TR,
Okay.
again you can see this TD. So actually, what this TR belongs to, like what happening? If I give one example here, if I open this TD for this TR, okay, so I can see the course VR means what happened. This TR is a parent one, so this is a column first. Okay, you can see this course VR course feeds. ठीक है means TR,
Okay.
yeah, the row first row is having three child columns. First row, this one is the first row having three TDs. So first TD contains CFEs, second TD contains Indian student, and the next one is foreign student. So three TD we have. Again, second row having three TDs. This one is the CA foundation, then this one. So every TD having three, every TR means three TDs as a child. Got my point? So see, if you open the TR here, this TR. So if I close, you can see three TDs. Again, the second row is coming. This one is second row, three TDs. This one is the third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, seventh row. You can get the three TDs. Got it? Now I want suppose if I want to go for like a fourth tier, I want to go. So how I can go
Okay.
to fourth one? Even though we have the same TR is the same for all. TD is also same for all. Only you can just repeat this one and child one, child two, child three. For example, I want to go to this fourth row. This one is first, second, third, fourth. Means CA in the direct. Okay. So just assume this come. This is the fourth row, but the child is one. Correct. So
Yes.
you just here you can say rotate here like using each iterator. You just click this third, fourth. Likewise you can come here.
Okay.
Got my point? So this is the row, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. It means that for column first you have the same locator TRDD and child1. Only the index is changed.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. Same is for this one. Just child 2. Once we come to child 2 here now index is changed now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again for this one index is changed. It is clear now,
Yeah.
Satya?
What is that nth? Why you are putting a nth? TD
Yeah,
colon nth.
yeah. Good question. Yeah, good question. See why we put nth here. See, like for example, we have one parent tr for this column.
Okay.
Okay, so it's having the td as a child. Like three child it has. This tr
Okay.
can so which child you want? Child one, two, three. So you cannot write directly child one. If I remove this child one here, I cannot get this one. Like in a class locator, we put dot, and for
Yeah.
ID we can push hat. So we get locator, correct? We can use that. Now you can if you write trdd colon child one, you will not get locator one, two, three. So you can if you put a hyphen here, you cannot get. This is a format of grabbing the web table. So trtd colon nth and hyphen child one, child two.
Okay.
It's clear now.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'll do now, I want to print this value, for example, CA foundation. So it is come under child one, this one, and but the index would be second, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll grab this one. I go to my script here. I just put here cy dot get. Okay, and I just put here dot eq2, and I just let try to know that like what I get from this. Okay, so what I'll do, I just write down here one constant here. For instance, const a equal to this one. I just write down here invoke text, and I want to print this cy dot log a. Let me check what result I'll get now.
What is EQ? That
Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll explain you. First, let me check what happened. Okay, every time we need to write down. So what I'll do, I'll just use one notepad. Okay, why do notepad? You have this now. Hmm. Oh, where is that text? Text. Yeah, learning Cypress text. So I can really write on here npx. No need to write again. Taking much time. Run, edit, browser, Chrome, spec which you want. This one data table now. Even though I can also use like this log JSON. You can see script here in log JSON. Package.json. Yeah, can you see the script?
yes.
Yeah, so suppose if I write here like this npm Cypress, suppose run test. So what happens here? I can see the unknown command. I can see, correct. So if I put here one command npm Cypress npx Cypress run test.
The test is default created.
Yeah, this script is default created. Okay.
Actually, what we are trying to do.
Actually, in under this first test, like sorry, under this package.json, we have one script by default. Okay, and you have given the
Okay.
command like this npx run. Okay, so directly you can, if you put now in this command and web table,
Okay.
so you will get the result. No need to write again and again. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, let me check here. npm web table or npx web table, something like that we need to put.
No need to give run.
Yeah, I'll try. Yeah, so we're npx Cypress run web table. It taking all the uh, test cases, 7 test cases, not individually first.
We have given only one, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'll let you know what to do with this scenario. Okay. So directly what I'll do now, I'll just close this one. Go to this learning path. Copy this one. I want to open the web browser. Go to terminal now. Now the test case got passed here. Okay, but yeah, I'm not able to see what happened in this log. Okay, so if you want to see the log now, you cannot see here directly log. Can you see? So in that case, you need to open test runner to see the log table.
Log.json.
Yeah, yeah. Npx Cypress open. Log dot json. Like you want to see check it out whether what contain this a.
Okay.
Yeah, like you use one locator eq showing your index, which index you want. I put here second index. Invoke that text. So invoke means what? I'm using one jQuery function. Invoke text. I want that what is behind this locator, which text is getting displayed. I want to showcase that one. Okay, now see the log. Can you see this one?
Yes.
This is log you can see here. Okay, like .com. This invoke to you will get see in CA intermediate. Can you see? CA intermediate single group. So you can get you are getting this kind of string inside this one. Okay. So basically, if I want to check it out, if I go to this website, okay, now I want to create this CA foundation through that. So what I'll do now, you're getting my point, what I'm saying. Second, CA foundation.
No, no. Instead of hard coding,
Mhm.
can we try with for loop?
Yeah, you
How
can. Yeah, you can
first
also.
to fetch?
Yeah, we can also try for loop. Basically, you know what? How do you do that one? I just do one thing here. Now this one is your. See, basically, this is your child one, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So if suppose if you want to use for loop here, you can just check it out here. EL element. Okay. Take one const here. Const equal to EL dot text. Okay. Now I'm not using any EQ here. Okay. Got my point?
Okay. And
Yeah.
I didn't. What is the use of EQ?
EQ means equal, like when you put it like some, for example, you have one second, where is that?
We already given nth child of one, right? Then again we.
Yeah, see, I'll clear this dot here. You have two buttons. Okay, one is search button,
Okay.
and another also like something. One button is there. Name is XYZ. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want to search locator for the search button. So I got locator like this. Dot this like this. Okay, and this locator is same for this both. Okay, but I want to click only one. I cannot take two locators. It will not work. It should be unique. Correct?
Okay.
So what I'll do in that case, I just use, like, I'll just check it out. This two only two button we have no. So either it would be 0 or one or two. I'll check it out first
Okay.
because sometimes index start with 0 also. So what I'll do, I'll use here EQ dot 0 or 1 to check this button. So if its index is 0, then
Okay. It's kind of index.
index, yeah. Then if I want to click this one, I can use 1 here. So
No.
in, yeah, in your case, even though you have used this n child one, okay. So
Okay.
n child
We
one,
have so many
yeah,
child one, right?
yeah.
We have
In
so
this,
many. From
yeah,
that you are selecting second.
exactly. In this one is n child one, child two, child three. So this child one
Okay.
contains so many
Yeah.
elements.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's why we use now EQ1, EQ2. It's clear now.
Okay.
Yeah. Now what I'm doing, this child, this n child one, using one each iterator, not find each. Here I am looping here, and I'm grabbing the text of each one. Okay, so check it out here. What result you will get now? See all the text you are getting here. Can you see?
Okay. Yeah.
See, CA course fees, CA foundation fees, like this. Okay, now I want to grab child one, suppose. So what I'll do in that case, if I want to grab, so like you can just use that same one you have used, in the last lecture. Go to desktop. If I want to click this CFNL, copy this one. This is a method. Okay, you can just write down here if your a dot includes cy dot wrap el dot click. This is a method of grabbing some, save and see the result now.
Okay, instead of only first column, I want to check throughout the web table.
Mm-hmm.
How can we? For that, we need to use for loop for each.
Yeah. Tell me what are you saying, Satya?
No, now you are using first row, first column, right?
Yeah,
First
yeah.
column, we are
First,
checking first
yeah,
column, right?
yeah, yeah.
Instead of that, we want to check throughout web table.
Throughout web table,
I
correct?
don't, yeah, I don't know which column that value is.
Okay,
Wherever it is available, we need to fetch. We need to
okay,
select.
okay, okay. Got it. So what you do in that case? You just open your inspect the web table now.
Okay,
Yeah.
web table, right?
Whole. You can just see here. If you go up, you just click the CA foundation. You can see here the T body. Can you see T body?
Yes.
You just copy this one and put it here. What you will get now? 105 you can see T body. Okay, so
Okay.
this one's first. This one is I think second. Again third same showing. Okay, CA final course. So like this we have different tables. This was the first table. So what I'll do, I'll take this one T body. I put this T body here. We have five tables. Okay. Okay, let it be. I'll just use another way. Cy dot get. Okay, here I can use first one, for instance. Okay, now I want to see what is there inside this. Okay, so what I'll do, I use here each iterator again. Okay, now I don't want this one as of now. Only check it out that this one is the first table I'm using, and using each iterator I'm just grabbing all the elements and converting that elements using jQuery text function, and using one log table. I just let you know like what comes inside this A. Okay, run it. See, can you see here? CA foundation fees, Indian students, all the data, table you can see in this log. Hello Satya,
See. Yeah, yeah.
you got it now.
Okay.
So this is the first table you will get. If you want to check it out what is inside the second table, you will just change the index here to 2.
It is. It is giving whole, right? Whole. Okay.
No, we have
Uh,
five table. So only that table you can see now. See, this is the
yeah.
second table.
No, no. in actually in Selenium, how you find first we need to get total rows. Next we will get total column. Then we use two for loops and we iterate and we uh, then we try to find the expected test.
Okay, so in that case, what you do,
We
you are
need
saying
to
that,
do
yeah, you can do the same thing, like you remove this one. Okay, you remove this table. Now you will get all the tables data.
I want in single web table. Okay, now
See, we can get file log, different table we have right now. First log, second log, third log, fourth log. No, out of which log you want to select, you can just grab that table and you can use that value. Same as Selenium, no?
uh, okay, this is just test. Okay, we can check whether test is available or not.
Mm-hmm.
Or suppose we have any inside web table, we have any radio button or checkbox. We need to check if test matches. We need to check that. Do we
Mm-hmm.
have any example like that? This is
Okay.
static, right? We can check whether test is available and we can pass. If I need to check
Mm-hmm.
that particular row,
Mm-hmm. Particular
the
row we have any radio button or not,
the
correct?
checkbox are I think.
Mm, okay. We'll check it also that one because this website contain only this table without any
Okay,
radio checkbox. If you have, then we can also check it out.
okay,
Because see, we are grabbing all the data here, correct? So whatever the checkboxes is there in this website, you can also see in the log table.
okay.
It is clear now.
Okay. Okay, here we are getting all content, right? All
Yeah,
table content.
yeah,
There we can check
yeah,
whether a particular test is available.
exactly. Because we put here T body, no, not
Okay,
particular. Yeah, if you use TRTT and child one, child two, then we can get particular text. Even though, like even though if you're using T body here, okay. Now in that case, suppose if I want to grab this, like this one is log one, log two, second table. This is third table. Inside third table, we have this CA. Can you see groups? So inside this, if you want to grab something like this CA intermediate, so how you can do? If I want to grab this one, CA intermediate registration fees. Any idea?
grammar just dot test some method is there. That
No, what your logic? Like if I'm asking to you question, like you have five table in front of you.
okay,
Okay, now I want that uh inside your log. Okay, in the under five table, you grab this log CA intermediate registration fees. So what will you do?
yeah, we use some assertions and we'll try. We'll get that log has a particular test.
Can you can't do using if includes.
Yeah, that is also possible.
Like for example, if I use, is a right method or wrong? You tell me. If I use like this, if suppose if this A contain all my text, okay. If I use A here like this, if A includes instead of
Okay,
my
usually in Java we have contains like that, right? Yeah,
Yeah, contains correct. So we use like this
yeah.
table we want to get. So what I'll do now, the next part is that it will show me that screen. If I use cy.log el inside this, so what result I'll get? If you have any knowledge, any logic, if you have, can I get this number? String.
See, yeah,
Let me try this one. Okay, what I'll do now? I don't want this one as of now. Now see what happened now. Can you see no log is getting displayed? Even though we are getting T body here,
okay.
but we don't see the log here. Why? Is there any space?
It,
Because of space?
see, is if condition passed, a dot includes, okay, save dot log of a, right? Why you are putting el?
Okay, you mean to say I should put here A, correct? Log of A, correct?
A, yeah, a only have test, right? Whole test.
Agree. See, you can see here you get the result. CA intermediate groups, single group, both groups like this. So means what? What you are getting here? Say if you go to this intermediate no, this assistant. If I open this website here, so
You have to put, I think, that test.
no, once again
No,
I'll
no, no.
just search it out the string here. Control F. See, can you see this one? I want to grab this one, no?
Okay,
CA intermediate, and this one is only one. Correct?
okay.
Correct, na? I want to grab this one only. So what I am getting here in this log? See, CA intermediate fees both groups. Okay, so where is the both groups here? Both this also getting displayed here. Both groups. Okay. So can you see what happened here?
Because
This
of that,
this string which we want searching include it contains CA intermediate registration, correct? Here also intermediate course fee. So taking the value also group both groups group one like this.
instead of
Same
contents, we can use exact match, right? Equal. We
exactly
don't have
exactly
equal.
exactly. We can use instead of includes we can use equal sign. Correct. Exactly. We can use like okay if you want you can just open this one.
Double equal, triple equal, right?
Yeah, double
Which
equal
one?
is also fine. Triple for data type no.
No, I think I. Uh, It will fail. Actually, A has so much of data, right? A has all data.
A has all data, correct? So what do you do is at the time you can use EL here.
No, if condition will fail actually.
Why? Because when we search, we have only one string is there, correct? If I use here triple equal to, if I once again, if I run this one is using A,
No, no, no. We are getting test from whole web table, right?
yeah.
Obviously, it will have all data. Now that should that is not equal to that single test, right?
Correct, because see this table contain all the tables, five tables, and we are putting all the tables in this A, and we want particular string. So is it possible? If is it not possible, then what should we do at the time? I just want in the table first string. I want just single string. I want to check it out.
For that contains only we should use.
Okay. So I'll give an assignment to Satya. Can you do that one?
Okay.
What you do?
What is
This is challenging for you. Okay, tricky one. Just in the log, this CA intermediate should get displayed here. Take the body only each, and just uh, put your logic here. What you do at the time? You have this A contain all the tables contain, and you under this five table content you just need to click this CA. Want to display this one? Can you do that one?
no? I didn't get you. I need to print only the test in log.
Yeah, yeah. You just need to print this one on this line only. Okay.
Okay. Can I go to that log once? Can we split that log? Is there any delimiter or how it is coming?
If you put here log,
Body.
if you remove this log here,
Uh,
you can get all these.
uh, what is that? Save dot log. No, no, why you are in triple equal to? I didn't get that. What is the use of triple equal to?
Actually, you can use double equal to also. Triple means what? You can just checking their data types. Like this also a string, this also string, matching the string. So all the five table you are getting here, but it is not coming inside this if.
That's what
You
that
know,
will fail actually.
you know why it's failed actually? Because this A contain this whole part.
The condition is false actually.
Yeah, condition is false because this A contain like this part. If you put all these string together, if you put all the string together like this inside this equal to path, then it can show you the true path. Got my point? You can take one variable, inside we put all the values, it will display here. You can see test fail each time. Okay, so think on it and let me know tomorrow. What will you do
Mm,
to print this line only? Okay, Satya.
we can split based on space, or
Okay.
if it is, we can iterate which one is matching,
Mm-hmm.
then we can.
Yeah, you can iterate. Correct, correct. Okay, so let me know tomorrow then.
uh, that string split will work here, or how?
Try, try. If you don't work, no problem. We'll see tomorrow then. You at least try
Okay,
at least. Okay. And
okay,
always, I'll just tell you that use next and prev. Two method you can use. Just search on Google next and prev. We'll see tomorrow what is next and prev. You also search on it.
okay.
Okay.
Can you paste this program?
Yeah, sure. Okay, Satya.
Okay, yeah,
Okay. This one is CY.logger. This one is not getting sent to you. Again, I am sending this one.
okay,
Okay then. Okay, yeah.
okay.
We'll meet tomorrow then.
Uh,
Bye.
bye.
Take care.
Yeah, sure.